Speaking practice for beginners, lesson 1. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready.
Lesson 1. Where are you from? Me, Beale. Hi. Hello. Where are you from? I'm from Myanmar. I don't believe you. Trust me, I swear. How can I know that you're from Myanmar? I have a lot of VPNs on my phone. I believe you now. Thank God. Tell me one thing. What do you want to know? Which VPN is free? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you have any topics that you're interested to learn, please write in the comments below. တကယ်လို့ကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားတဲ့ topic လေးတွေရှိရဆိုရင်လည်း comment section လေးမှာရေးခဲ့လို့ရပါတယ်နော် Now you know more. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.